Welcome to this video on SAP Finance training in the USA. We will explore why this is a smart career choice for both beginners and professionals, presented by ThinkTree Technologies. SAP Finance, or FICO, is the backbone of the digital enterprise. It drives organizational efficiency across major industries like manufacturing, retail, IT, healthcare, and consulting, making it a highly in-demand module. This field is built for business, not coding. It is an ideal entry point for students and professionals. Success here requires an understanding of real business processes in areas like financial accounting, reporting, and compliance. There is a significant cross-functional advantage to learning SAP Finance. It bridges the gap between operations and finance, allowing professionals to understand how daily tasks directly impact the company's bottom line. Choosing a specialization depends on your background and goals. SAP Finance focuses on accounting and performance analysis, while SAP Production Planning focuses on manufacturing efficiency. Both paths hold strong demand. Modern enterprises are rapidly adopting S/4HANA, mastering its architecture, including real-time reporting, advanced analytics, and the Universal Journal, elevates your profile from an end user to a high-demand consultant. The career roadmap starts with financial accounting fundamentals and progresses through SAP FI components, cost-controlling concepts, and real-time business scenarios, preparing you for professional roles. ThinkTree Technologies bridges the gap to employment by providing live instruction, direct system access for hands-on practice, flexible scheduling, career prep, and active placement assistance for U.S. roles. Ultimately, job readiness is achieved through practical exposure rather than just theory. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, targeted SAP Finance training can unlock a rewarding long-term career.